Hey, this is Carrie Ann Kilpatrick, your local go-to realtor here in Northeast Florida, and this is a question I get all the time. How can I get my offer accepted? So when home buyers begin the house hunting process, they often don't realize just how many steps it entails. So today we're talking about how to seal the deal on your dream home. So there's three things I want you to really put in your mind. So the first one is pricing your offer right. The next is consider your contingencies carefully and create a clean contract. So we're gonna be going deeper into those points in just a second. But in case you don't know me, I am Carrie Ann Kilpatrick, a realtor in Northeast Florida. Home has always been where my heart is, so I'm going to be sharing real estate tips and tricks, home related topics with you every week. But you can also follow me for community highlights, local business spotlights, which are really fun, real estate tips and tricks, and everything that makes your home special and unique to you. Okay, so now let's find out how to make a winning offer on a home. So the first one was price your offer right. Remember, it's the market, not you or the sellers, that determine how much a property is worth. So don't try to lowball the seller. You're only going to make them mad. Instead, look at comparable homes that have sold recently in the area and come up with a price that's fair and reasonable. When you do, you'll have a better chance of having a seller consider your offer and accept it. And that's what we're trying to do. So the second one is consider your contingencies carefully. The contingencies you write into an offer are designed to protect you, not the seller. So everything from securing a loan to selling your current house to the closing date you choose could potentially impact the seller in a negative way. If your market is extremely competitive, you want to consider your contingencies very carefully. Sometimes people take big risks and remove almost all their contingencies to make the offer more appealing to a seller, but overall, aim to strike a balance between protecting your interest while also keeping the offer very attractive. Okay, number three, create a clean contract. I've seen so many offers get declined by sellers simply because the real estate agent wrote a sloppy contract. Ultimately, the contract is the first impression you make. It's a signal of how the rest of the transaction will go. No one wants to spend 30 days in escrow with a buyer who's disorganized, dysfunctional, and in disarray. Not cool. So make sure your real estate agent writes a clean contract that's organized, simple, and complete. You'd be surprised by how many agents get that wrong. So you can see there is some skill and strategy in creating an offer on a home. So I hope this has been useful information and helped you understand more about how to get an offer accepted. So if you would like a free buyer's checklist, just drop me a line in the comments and I will get that out to you. But you can also schedule a one-on-one meeting with me. You can find that link in my bio. So make sure you go there. You can text me too. That's cool. So again, this is Carrie Ann Kilpatrick. I really appreciate you being here with me today, and I hope to see you around town. Bye.